Hi, welcome to episode number 6 of the Homestager Marketing Show, where today I'm going to talk to you about the truth about keywords for your website. Hi, I'm Mike, and I am the Stager Sidekick, and I want to thank you for watching. I also invite you to visit my website at stagersidekick.com. Now, if you've been watching this show, you may notice today's episode is a little different in that the video is a little bit more clear. Since the last episode, I have upgraded my camera, so you should have a bit crisper video, and which may be good for you, may not be good for me, because so you can see a little more detail, but I think it's going to be better in the long run. But again, I want to thank you for watching. So let's get into the episode. So like I said, today I'm going to talk about the truth about keywords for your website. You have no doubt, if you have a website, you've no doubt been told that keywords are very important for your website. You know, you need to think of your keywords. You need to put keywords on your website. Just a lot of just that term keywords. But what exactly does that mean? You may have heard that it's important for Google. You may have heard that it's important for SEO. But why? And how do you do that? So unfortunately, from the homestagers that I've spoken to, they really haven't been given too much direction aside from being told that they need keywords for their website and to really plan out the keywords for their website. So today I'm going to talk about what that really actually means. So and why it's important, and maybe some misconceptions that you may have or may have been told. So first, without too much direction, a homestager might think that they need to just write down on their website homestager a lot of times as a keyword. Other keywords may be the name of the towns that you serve. So if you work in any town, you might want to write down just the term any town USA on your website just over and over and in as many places as possible. So just maybe on your home page, on your about page, on your contact page, any page that you have, you may just want to stuff it with the terms homestager and any town, just because with the thought that that's really going to help you with your SEO and help you get found on Google. Unfortunately, that's a really bad strategy. It may have been a good strategy about 5 or 10 years ago when Google wasn't so smart, but Google is actually really smart, and they call this term, that strategy, they call that keyword stuffing, and they will actually penalize websites that try to just keyword stuff just by writing homestager over and over and over and over again. If you have a really good website, then Google will know that you're a homestager. So like I said, that's keyword stuffing, and that's bad. Now, Google is smart, so what Google actually wants you to do is really just to write good content for your website. So your content will have if your content is written well, your content will have the keywords that you want Google to rank you for. So if you have blog articles or a portfolio with lots of pictures, and they all reference homestaging in some way, and they talk about, your blog articles talk about homestaging, why homestaging is important, why someone would need a homestager in any town, how a realtor would find a homestager in any town, why a homeowner would need a homestager in any town. Articles like that will include those keywords, and you don't need to write homestager in any town over and over and over again in those articles, because Google will read those articles and will understand that you're a home stager. Likewise, if you have a portfolio, which I hope you do, with lots of great pictures of your work, and you will have the titles and the alt tags. You can see previous episodes to understand what those are, what the title and alt tags are. But if you have lots of pictures that have those, as well as descriptions of what that project is about, Google will understand that you are a home stager in any town, without stuffing it with keywords, but just having your keywords within naturally within the portfolio. So if you want to check out previous episodes, I really spoke about SEO for websites and different types of content. So without really trying to stuff your website with just writing your important keywords over and over and over again, it's greatly more important to write or have great content on your website, and your content will include the keywords that you want to rank for. So hopefully that clears up some things that you may have heard about keywords in the past, and what you should not and what you should do for keywords. You should not keyword stuff. You should write great content or have pictures that are also your great content on your website. Google will penalize you for keyword stuffing, for doing things to try to get around the system, but Google will benefit your website if you have lots of great content. You will easily rank. Your website will easily rank very high in your area, in your local area, if you have a lot of great content. Again, the bar for home stagers is set very low because very few home stagers actually do have a lot of great content that includes their keywords on their website. So if you are that home stager that has content on your website with the keywords, you will rank high on Google in your local area. So again, thank you for watching episode number 6 of the Home Stager Marketing Show, about the truth about keywords for your website. If you'd like to contact me, you can reach me at mike@stagersidekick.com. You can also visit my website at stagersidekick.com. And I would like to ask if you could just subscribe to this channel, because hopefully you're getting some value out of these episodes, and subscribing would you'll be notified as soon as new ones come out. So again, I want to thank you, and if you have any questions about keywords, please reach out, and I'd be happy to help out. All right, thanks. Bye.